Mr. Morton, you were arrested on a charge of assault, committed bodily injury of a family member. At this time, that charge is being dismissed for lack of probable cause. So you don't have any other charges when we get through here and they can get to you to process you out, you'll be released.
Okay, thank you.
They can come back and make their probable cause at a later date and present the case to the county attorney's office. And if they accept it, they will issue a warrant for you.
Okay.
They come back to you with a warrant for assault, committing bodily injury of a family member, you'll know what's going on.
Okay.
All right. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Bye.
Mr. Robinson, you were arrested on a charge of resisting arrest, search, or transportation. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for these charges?
I don't believe so, no.
Do you want one appointed to you?
I don't know if I need it.
So is that no or yes?
Do I need one?
Would you like a court-appointed attorney? Would you like the judge to give you an attorney?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Counselor?
Yes, Mr. Robinson. What are you doing are you from Amarillo?
No, ma'am.
Where are you from?
I'm from North Houston.
So what are you doing in Amarillo?
I'm here for work.
And what company and how long have you been working at that
So
company?
I'm a vendor for Allstate. I've been doing this my whole life, in and out. This specific company I've been with for 3 years.
And are you scheduled to go back to work?
I am.
If you're able to bond out, do you plan on going back to work today or your next scheduled
I would go back to work today and tomorrow, yes.
Your Honor, I have no further questions. I would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond that allows him to bond out and get back to work.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna set his bond at $2,000. I will make it a personal bond. Are you out on bond or anything else right now? Probation?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. I
Okay.
haven't been in trouble in a long time.
All right, so you're gonna be released on a personal bond. Keep in mind, there's no bail bondsman going to keep up calling you. So that sheet there has a phone number on it. You need to call per the directions.
I'm not from here.
You can still call that number to check in.
Call that number.
Call in to check in.
Yeah, it's to keep up with your court case so that you'll know when to appear.
Yes,
If you
sir.
don't appear, they're gonna surrender this bond and you'll be back
I have
in.
to come back.
Yeah. Just call that number and keep up for when your court case is.
I'll take care of it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Conditions are K. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any other violations against the United Texas, any other state or the United States, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Call that number. They're going to release you. Call that number every single week and stay in touch with your attorney.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
No,
Good to go. You don't have to pay anything. If you don't show up, you're going to owe
I don't have to
$2,000.
pay it. No.
Right. If you don't show up though, you'll owe $2,000.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
You're just talking to there so the judge can hear you.
Hello.
Mr. Martinez, how are you?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Good. I'm doing good, thank you. You were arrested on a charge of evading arrest or detention.
Yes, sir.
Can you afford your own attorney to defend you for this?
No, sir.
Do you want one appointed to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, counselor?
Yes, Mr. Martinez, how long have you been living in Amarillo?
Since 13.
And is your whole family in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
So do you have ability to stay in touch with the judge and your attorney to follow up on this case?
Yeah.
And are you currently working?
No, ma'am.
Would it be difficult for you to afford a bond in this case?
Not really.
Okay. Your Honor, I would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna set his bond at $2,000. I will make it a personal bond. You're not on bond for anything else right now, are you?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Conditions are K while you're out on bond. Cannot commit any other violations against the state of Texas, any other state of the United States. The sheet of paper has a phone number on it for you to keep up with your court dates, calling once a week. You're not going to have a bondsman calling you, so you need to keep up with your court dates, okay? So as soon as you have taken care of your city charge, then you'll be released. Thank you. Mr. Ybarra, you were arrested on a charge of driving while intoxicated. Can you afford to hire an attorney to represent you for this?
No, sir.
Do you want one appointed to you,
Yes, sir.
counselor?
Yes, Mr. Ybarra, how long have you been living in Amarillo?
Since 2021,
And do you have family in Amarillo?
my wife and my kids.
Are you the sole provider for your family?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently working?
Yes, ma'am.
When are you next scheduled for work?
Monday.
Monday, and how old are your children?
My daughter or my son is he'll turn 2 next month, and then my daughter is a month old.
And this your first time getting in trouble and being arrested and brought to jail?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I have no further questions. I would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond in this case.
Thank you. I'm gonna set your bond at $2,000. Conditions are E and K. While you're out on bond, you cannot consume any alcohol, and you cannot violate any statutes against the state of Texas, any other state, or the United States. All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Too close, stop to the judge through there.
How do you say your last name?
Traugott-Self.
Okay. I'm sorry I mispronounced it.
It's okay.
I didn't. You were arrested on a charge of driving while intoxicated.
Yes.
Can you afford an attorney to
No, sir.
represent you? Do you want one appointed to you,
Yes, sir.
counselor?
Yes, Mr. Traugott-Self, how long have you been in the Amarillo area?
Most of my life.
And do you have family here?
Yes.
And do you have and are you currently employed?
Yes.
Do you have a way to stay in contact with your with the judge, with the court, with your attorney regarding this case?
Yes, ma'am.
And when are you next scheduled for work?
I don't know. Whenever I get out, I'm just have to call him.
All right. Your Honor, I have no further questions. I would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond.
Okay, thank you. Where are you working at?
I'm doing like construction, just small odd jobs around.
Okay. I'm gonna set your bond at $2,000.
All right.
Conditions are E and K while you're out on bond. You cannot consume any alcohol,
No, sir.
and you cannot violate any statutes against the state of Texas, any other state, or the United States.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay.
Talk to the judge right there.
Mr. Sanders, you were arrested on a charge of criminal trespass. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
You just tell the judge no.
No.
Do you want one appointed to you?
Sure.
Okay, counselor.
Yes, Mr. Sanders, are you currently without stable living right now?
Mm-hmm.
And have you ever gone to the Texas Panhandle Centers?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Your Honor, and Mr. Sanders, can you afford bond?
Nope.
Uh,
I mean, if I can get my mom's number, I can.
Your Honor, I would ask for 1622 and a fair and reasonable bond in this case.
Do you think he's already had one?
I'm not sure.
If I get a bond, it's not going to be able to be completed at all anyway, though. But you can, I mean, God.
Your Honor, I wasn't able to get very much information out of him when I spoke with him earlier.
Is he out on bond already for anything else that you know of? Are you out on bond for anything else right now?
Have you been arrested before?
Yeah.
But you're not currently on bond for anything else, are you?
No.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna set your bond at $750. I will make it a personal bond. Conditions are K and Q. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any other violations against the state of Texas, any United States, or any other state. And you must abstain within 30 days of your release on bond. You must report to Texas Panhandle Centers for a 1622 exam. Thank you.
All right.
Thing. I've consulted with Mr. Cotter's attorney and I also checked Odyssey for these two cases where there was a bond surrender. He already pled out to these back in July for time served.
Okay.
When I was checking Odyssey, he did have a bond surrender warrant, but that was back from June. So maybe that warrant just was never cleared.
Was it the same warrant?
I checked the case. The case numbers are the same, Your Honor.
They are?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, it's kind of. And he's already pled on these, correct? Like last week, Friday or something?
Like 2 months ago.
I see like
Back-
July 18th, Your Honor, and I did talk to his attorney and she said he's already completed these two cases. Are you able to check? I don't know if you're able to check Odyssey, Your Honor.
No, I don't have any clue on Odyssey. Let me go back here. He said he didn't make a recommendation because he already showed that he already pled to time served.
I
And he's
did
not
not get.
warrants or 4.
He did already plead to these two cases, though. It does say that the cases are disposed on Odyssey.
Okay. And it said he received time served.
Yes, correct, Your Honor. Both of them indicate that they're time served.
Okay. I'm gonna release him. You think it would be safe to do like $100 PR bond on these until the court can clear this up? And that way he'd be released. He's not paying any bond.
So if you were just to release him, that would not remove the warrant. Is that the issue?
No, I'm just saying if I release him on a PR bond till we can check with the court or his attorney can check with the courts to clear this out.
I could try calling the sheriff's office to see if we could clear the warrant.
I mean, if he pled on the same numbers that you have on these warrants, it should be. I'm just going to release him.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And if it turns out something's wrong, they can reissue the warrants.
Yes, Your Honor. And Mr. Cotter, you do have your attorney has your contact information, correct?
Correct.
If there's anything else that needs to be cleared up, he has his attorney's contact information. She has his contact information, and
Who is
we'll
his
make sure it's
attorney?
all. Ashton Ybarra. She's with the Panhandle Area Public Defender.
Okay. Let's say release. Already served. Okay. Good luck to you. Thank you.
Yo.
Can you go close the door?
No.
Please. Oh my goodness.
You got them.
Yes, sir.
So I closed.
Yeah, but why are you answering no to her? She asked you for a favor.
That's not a favor. That was a request and a
Doesn't matter.
demand.
It doesn't matter.
You gonna throw me in jail? You hear him,
You're already
Judge?
here. So what's the deal? Huh?
I don't got to answer to you now.
Hello,
Judge.
You were arrested on charges of criminal trespass and for possession of a controlled substance, program 1-1B drug, less than 1 gram. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for these charges?
No, sir.
Do you want one appointed to you?
Sure. Let's see how good he can do.
Counselor?
Yes, Mr. Galvan. How long have you been living in Amarillo?
Forcefully for the last 47 years.
And do you have stable living here right now?
Nope, I am homeless as we speak still.
And so would it be difficult for you to afford bond in this case?
Yes, it would be.
Do you have a way to stay in contact with your attorney in the court for this case, for these cases?
Yes, ma'am, I sure do. The Diamond Saunders Resource Center downtown, they let me receive calls there, and also a few kind people will also let me call to check in if I need to, or whatever needs to be done. They'll help me. Even the churches will.
Do you have any other pending cases? Are you on bond for anything else right now?
No, ma'am.
Your Honor, I would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond.
Okay, thank you. On the possession charge, I'm gonna set your bond at 3,500. Conditions are K and O. On the criminal trespass, I'll set your bond at $750. Conditions are K. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas,
Aren't we a sovereign state?
any other state in the United States. And also you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol without the consent or being prescribed by a physician. Thank you.
That's it. Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Macias, you were arrested on like 3 charges, warrants, one for manufacturing, delivering a controlled substance, program 1, drug equal to or greater than 1 gram, less than 4 grams. Also for probation violation for theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more convictions. And a warrant out of Randall County for theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 previous convictions. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
No, sir.
Do you want one appointed to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the Randall County charge, the the judge has denied your bond. So you'll be taken directly in front of them. On the probation violation and the manufacturing controlled substance, you'll be taken before Judge Frosto, and she will set your bond on those. Thank you.
Trying to go in front of you with Judge Frost over here to set the bond on those other 2 cases. The ones out of Potter, it's 2, Randall, and then the probation violation. They already set a bond on them. Well, then you're still gonna be here for the probation violation until she sets a bond. No, they had put a bond on that, 750, when I got here, it's 20 minutes bond. We can look it up, yeah, okay, but if there's a bond there and you bond out, you'll just be taken to Randall County. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay. So what do I have to wait for now?
For me.
Yeah, okay. We'll talk to him after.
That's okay, fine.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Miller, you were arrested on a charge of assaults of a family or household member, impeding breath or circulation. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
No, sir.
Do you want one appointed to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, counselor.
Yes, Mr. Miller, how long have you been in Amarillo?
My entire life.
And you currently have stable housing?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have stable work?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been working at your current job?
I've worked with the company for 4 years, but we opened a new restaurant and it's only been open for 2 years.
Okay, and when are you next scheduled for work?
This morning.
All right, and if you're let out on bond, do you intend on going back to work as soon as possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I have no, and also there is a reported victim in this case. Do you have the ability to stay away from this victim?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I have no further questions. I would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna set your bond at $10,000. Conditions are F, G, H, K, and O. There's been a magistrate's order for emergency protection issued on this between now and October the 29th of 2025. You can have no contact, direct or indirect, with you cannot go within 200 yards of her residence or her place of employment. This order will be sent to you here in just a few minutes. You need to read it in its entirety and sign it. Also, you cannot commit any other violations against the state of Texas, any other state or the United States, and you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol unless prescribed by a physician. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Trevino, you were arrested on a charge, a warrant for bond surrender, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. What's your status? Do you already have an attorney on this, or?
No, sir, I don't have an attorney on this.
Okay, yeah, this is an added charge. You already got something else on you. Do you currently have an attorney on your other charge?
No, sir.
Okay, do you want a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir, that's all I can afford right now.
Okay. This charge, the bond surrender, you'll be taken before Judge Frosto for her to set the bond, or it says at least $30,000. Which one do they want? Does that make any sense to you, Counselor?
No, Your Honor.
I'm just going to say you're going to be taken before Judge Frosto. She's the one that signed the warrant on the bond surrender. You're already in here on another warrant, so you're not going anywhere unless I don't know if bond was set on that. So good luck. Thank you.
You'll have to go in front of the judge. She'll set your bond amount because you have a bond surrender.
Okay. What happened with my bond surrender? Was I behind payments or something?
Were you reporting?
I was reporting, yes.
Oh, sorry. This is what it. You're
Yes.
seeing it right?
Yes.
Said you're picking up your charges.
I was picking up my charges.
Do you have an attorney on the current case?
I don't.
Okay, all right.
Just give us a.
You'll- yeah.
Whenever we get done.
Yeah.
Just go for our list, just give us.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing, sir?
I'm good, and you?
I've seen better days, but that's all
I
right.
understand. You had a charge added to you. It's a bond surrender for evading arrest or detention with a vehicle. Do you currently have an attorney on this charge?
I believe so. I'm unsure.
Okay.
I believe this was the only attorney that was with a different, like, it's a different attorney from all the other charges, I believe.
You want to
Oh
keep?
no, no, sir. I apologize. I was misunderstood. It is Michael Warner. Yes, sir.
Michael Warner. You want to keep that going?
Absolutely.
Okay. Bond's denied at this time. You'll be taken. Let's see. Before Judge Estevez, she's the one that signed the bond surrender warrant, and she will set your bond on this. Okay.
Okay. And when
Batson's your attorney on this one.
which one?
Batson.
It's on this one. So it's not Michael Warner. It's
We'll talk later. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're good.
Mr. Ahmed, you were arrested on a warrant for bond surrender for terroristic threat of a public servant with fear of serious bodily injury. Do you already have an attorney on this, or do you need an attorney?
Actually, this is I don't want to go around the bush. I'm trying to say, I don't want to piss you off.
Do you just answer the judge's questions? That's the easiest way to go.
Actually, I don't have to have an attorney because America is a superpower country.
Would you like a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, but let me try to give him a big judge award, big guy award. America is a big country, big powerful country. If they go to the mosque, if is a camera there, if they found out.
Okay, so he failed to appear, so his bond was forfeited. So this is a bond forfeiture, not a surrender. So you'll be taken before Judge Pirtle in 108th, and he will set your bond on this. Thank you. Mr. Gardner, you were arrested, looks like on a probation violation, possession of controlled substance, program 1, equal to or greater than 1 gram, less than 4. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
I'm not sure at the time. I had an attorney on the case, but I'm not sure if he's still there. I don't know.
Was it a court-appointed attorney?
No, it was a hired attorney. It was just 5 years ago.
Okay. Do you want a court-appointed attorney now, or you want?
Yes.
Okay. All right. This is a probation violation, so you will be taken before Judge Pirtle. He's the one that signed the warrant, and he will set the bond on this.
When do you know when that is?
It'll be next week, probably sometime.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Excellent.
Mr. Moore, you were arrested, brought in on a warrant for bond surrender, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
Yes, sir.
Do you already have an attorney on this? What's your status?
Yes, sir. It's there's been 6.5 months, no indictment, but I got picked up for a misdemeanor out of Randall County, so they surrendered my bond.
Okay. So, but you do have an attorney?
Yes, it's
appointed?
Ethan Murphy.
Is he court appointed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Since there's been no indictment, can there be a bond reduction?
Not a reduction, but there can be a surrender, yes. So you'll be taken before the judge that signed your bond surrender warrant, and he will set your bond on this.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.